Hello, this is John Hart, and I'll be going over the State Cancer Profiles website, how to navigate it for Unit 8 assignment. And I also recommend this site for Unit 9 assignment as well, so this will get you warmed up for that. So just type in State Cancer Profiles, and that site should come up, and once you get there, click on mortality over here on the right side to fetch some data, and then click interactive maps. And for your PowerPoint assignment, one of the things you'll be asked to do is report descriptive statistics like average and standard deviation, and you can calculate this on your own, getting archive data and make your own descriptive statistics based on these data as opposed to data from an article. So we'll just fill in the blanks here. I'll just go from the top of the list here, Alabama. We'll see what the cancer death rates are in Alabama, and we'll go by county so we can look at the whole state in by county. And a data group, cancer rates. You could choose other things too. And all sites, whichever you may be interested in another type of cancer. And mortality, and all, both, all, and the latest. And then we'll click generate map in a moment. And it gives you a nice map you can copy and paste for your PowerPoint. And you can save the data in Excel. And then in Excel, you can, once you have that, you can do some calculations. In the column you want to zero in on, we can make some spaces so we can read the whole column, is this column D, age adjusted. These are average death rates by county. Here it is for the whole state. And you could report that as a descriptive statistic along with a confidence interval. But if you want to go the extra yard and do some calculations on your own, we'll give ourselves some room down here. Right click and insert row, and maybe another row. Give us some breathing room here, and we'll type in anywhere here the mean and standard deviation, and let's throw in another one, count number of counties, count T. Okay, so we'll go to FX, and average is the term Excel uses. And we'll get this out of the way. And we'll start with the county level as opposed to the whole state, Alabama, US. We'll start with the first county, Walker County. Left click and hold it down. And we can see by the scroll number there, right at the last county, it looks like 67 counties it'll be. And the average will be here where we left our mouse, and we'll click OK. And we don't need all those decimal places, or maybe you want a few more. So we'll click Format Cells and number and a couple decimal places is plenty. So on average, 184.13 deaths per 100,000. Here's the full heading up here. And then we'll do the same for standard deviation. We'll click there and FX, and we'll look for standard deviation. If we don't see it, we can type it in this box, and it should be, I should have it here, but otherwise you can type it in and click go. And I use the .s for sample, and we'll go to the top again for Walker County, start there. And we stop right at the last county again, Choctaw. And our standard deviation is about 17. And we can do count, I believe is the term that Excel uses for number. Count the number of cells that contain numbers. So that's it. And same thing, left click, hold it down to the last county, and 67 it is. We can insert another row there, give ourselves a little more breathing room. I like breathing room. And there's your descriptive statistics for Alabama for the years 2012 to 2016. And you can include this information in your report. And that concludes this presentation. And thank you for watching.